Hey, I'm Blythe Stevens, and I'm coming to you from the Tancho Tantraum Dance Studio to announce a dance-related free 5-day online challenge that I'll be sharing with you coming up in the month of November. I want to give you the opportunity to go ahead and sign up for that to make sure that you don't miss out. It is, I'm tentatively naming it, the Baste the Turkey choreography or dance composition challenge. And I'm using that silly name because there is an acronym for the elements of dance, and those are the ingredients that we are using to compose dances, whether we are improvising or composing formally or however it is that we're creating dance movement, we are using the materials of dance, just like a painter would take their palette and their watercolors or their oil paints and their canvas and be gathering all those materials and be using the elements of light and form and color. As dancers, we'll be using the elements of the body and the body in action, the space that we are moving in, the time and our relationship to time, as well as the energy and the qualities of movement. So the acronym is BASTE, B-A-S-T-E, and each of the 5 days of the challenge will be diving into one of these elements. And the invitation is to create your own improvisation or even a short composition. And each day you'll be considering one element and how it pertains to that piece. How will I be using the body? What sorts of shapes will I be creating? What sort of actions tell the story or create the feeling that I want to create? What will the tempo and the music look like? And so we'll go step by step together through that process, exploring each of the elements and starting to create our own dance. Whether you have experience with a formal dance technique or extensive experience with a formal dance technique or not, and regardless of what, if you do have familiarity, what your preferred dance technique is, this process will reveal things and help you craft things for yourself regardless. It can work for any dance style and any level of experience, and even deepen your practice if dancing is something that you're very familiar with. We often, in a technique setting, don't have a lot of opportunities to create for ourselves and to learn the process of generating choreography or composing dances. But it's so wonderful for our understanding of what the application of the technique is, our appreciation of dance and performance, as well as our creativity in general. So my belief is just in the way that composing poems or sketches helps us see the world in a different way and perceive things a bit differently. It enriches our life experience and what we're able to bring and express and generate. So too can experiences in composing choreography enrich our lives on many different levels. So we don't necessarily need to polish and refine and bring these pieces onto the stage or in a performance setting, but if you want to, you could. But just going through the process together will have us learning things about ourselves, our bodies, our creative process that can positively impact a lot of different areas of life. So yeah, that's the invitation. You are invited to participate in this challenge. It's also sort of a celebration of all of these materials that we do have, the time that we have in our lives and whatever it is that we're capable of in our own bodies. So I think that's really appropriate for November. A lot of people thinking about gratitude and ways to express Thanksgiving and ways to really connect and within the family or within our culture to really find those roots. So join me for this 5-day free online Elements of Dance Choreography Challenge. I would be absolutely delighted to see you there. And until then, I'm looking forward to it. Bye.